honored guests, parents, friends, schoolmates, my dear co-graduates, teachers, barangay, and potato officials, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. Today is a memorable day for all of us because we have just ended an episode in our life, elementary school life. Now, we are about to start a new chapter of our journey, the high school. Jose once said, the youth is the hope of the motherland. We studied in Consumor Elementary School so we could be equipped with adequate knowledge and skills in preparation for the important roles we have to play in the society someday. My dear co-graduates, the first step has been successful. As our Sadawan said, the roots of education are deeper but the fruit is first and very sweet. The journey is now a life return, but our accomplishments in the school are very rewarding. So our dear teachers who taught us not only the lesson in the book but also taught us the lesson in real life. We are very thankful to all of you. To our parents who are always beside us since our first day in school, we share with you our first test of victory. We have witnessed your sacrifices and struggles and really ask thank you so much. My dear graduates, thank you for all of your patience, brotherhood, and camaraderie. We need to continue studying and let's make this a pledge for the new generation. Let's make goodbye to our old selves and say hello to the newbie as we pursue the next ladder of success. Always remember, be empowered and productive. Once again, thank you and congratulations, Mabuhay.
Mana si Ate?
Thank you, guys.
On behalf of the completers, may we invite Dia Madison T. Jaime for her words of gratitude.
May